Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Key Does It All. If you are new here, I am Key. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in with me again today. Today, we are going to be taking my oldest son, we call him Pootie, but his name is John, on his first field trip. So you know I had to document these, right? So, are we excited, Pootie?
I'm going to see my friends.
Yes, you're going to see your friends. We are going to the pumpkin patch, I believe. So, yeah, I'll be back in with you guys, letting you guys know how that goes. See you guys in a bit. So, guys, we are on the bus.
And we're going somewhere.
We are going to the pumpkin patch.
Yay!
You excited?
Yes!
See you guys when we get there. We are here. Pootie, we're here. We're here, right?
Mommy, I'm going to play with him.
We're going on a tractor ride.
Yay, right! It's serious, Auntie. I got...
Your teeth are nice and clean, right?
And then nice and clean.
Kind of work. Look,
What?
are you happy?
Yes.
You excited? This is where the Christmas trees come from. You see the Christmas tree?
Wow, they're so cool. So we can get presents for me.
Yeah. Whoa. Spooky.
Where's the spooky at?
It's right there. It's scary.
Whoa, that's a scary.
You don't want to take a picture with the chickens?
I do. They're 5 little birds. Hey guys! Guys, where y'all going? They want to go to bed, Mom.
Go ahead, turn around. Let's take a picture with the chickens. What are we going to do?
We're going to caterpillar at first.
You going to what?
It's caterpillars apples.
Why you eat caterpillars apples? No.
I know them. I know caterpillars apples.
Look at the camera. Look. He's so excited.
Mommy, more apples.
That's one.
More. I need some.
No, not that one, baby. Let's pick another one.
Eat that one.
Look.
What?
Look at these.
These ones. And more. I think.
You got it? Uh-oh.
That's one.
No, let's get a new one. Come right here. Look at this tree. Whoa. This got a lot of apples up here. Look at that one. Go ahead. You got it?
Yes.
2. That's 2. And then you get one more. You got it? Nope. Let's pick another one. You got it? Good job. How many apples do you have? Good job.
So let's pick. Let's pick.
Nope. Now stand right here. And Mommy wants to take a picture.
See the airplane?
I do. You done taking taking pictures? You don't want to take any more pictures?
No.
Okay. So we picked apples.
So I got them in here.
You got them in your bag.
And so we're going back to say hi to the animals.
We're not going to say hi to the animals.
Yes, you are.
No, no, we're not.
Mommy, why don't I say hi to the animals?
Why?
Because I do.
We don't need to say hi to the animals.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. All right, be back in a second. Trying to slow down. All right, look where we going. You don't even know where we going now. Trying to back this way. We are in a hay maze. Ooh. Bleh, bleh, bleh.
I don't like those.
Stop doing that. Put your hands down. Okay, we are now leaving the orchard. My little guy is tired. He's sleepy, baby. Okay. We're getting on the bus. Alright, we're on the bus ride back in. Did you enjoy your trip? Did you enjoy your trip?
Mom!
Did you enjoy your trip?
Mommy! We do it already.
Did you enjoy it? Was it fun?
And I said hi to two and said hi to the chickens and to the goats. And it was fun.
It was fun. Okay. Hello guys, we are now back at home. The school day is over. He enjoyed his trip. I enjoyed his trip. You guys will see those clips in the clip before this clip. Mad clips, right? But anyway, I just wanted you guys to be a part of me cooking dinner. And now I am going to be cooking some ziti. I had the meat going before I started recording, and you guys are going to see how I make that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, I just wanted to show you the seasoning that I was using, how this is gonna work. This is the Italian seasoning that I put down in there. I also used seasoned salt, put that in there as well. I also used the adobo, and this is without pepper. And I use the onion powder. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to make sure it's not blurry. And meat tenderizer. And that is all.